This is Legal Update with Cunningham Bounds.
I'm Drexel Gilbert, and on today's Legal Update, we're talking about maritime injury cases with Cunningham Bounds attorneys Billy Bonner and Lucy Tufts. Billy, what is a maritime injury case?
Drexel, a maritime injury case is any case that involves an injury to a person while they are on or near the water. These kinds of cases can involve everything from a recreational boater who is injured on a weekend boating trip to a deckhand who is injured while working on a ship or a tugboat. These cases may also involve men and women who are injured while working on offshore rigs.
Lucy, can you give us an example of a maritime injury case that Cunningham Bounds has handled?
Sure, Drexel. Recently, we handled a case for a young man that was involved in an explosion on an offshore drilling rig. Our client only suffered minor physical injuries. However, his bunkmate and several co-workers were killed in the explosion. As a result, our client suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, and could no longer work offshore to support his family. We filed suit against the rig owner, who denied that our client had suffered any real injury.
Drexel, we hired a team of doctors and vocational experts to evaluate our client. Our team was able to show that our client met all of the diagnostic criteria for PTSD, and as a result, our client was able to obtain a settlement that compensated him for the significant losses he experienced from no longer being able to work offshore.
If you or a family member has been injured or killed on or near the water, you owe it to yourself and your family to find a lawyer that understands maritime cases and will not stop until the responsible parties are held accountable. Don't settle for less.
Thank you both for being here today, and thank you for joining us on today's Legal Update.
To have your potential case evaluated by a Cunningham Bounds attorney, call 1-800-472-6191.